Today we are going to be doing the front brake pads on a 1994 Chevy Caprice. Now the first thing you want to do is pop the hood. So you want to go inside the car. You want to pull that hood latch, is going to label the hood. That hood latch, there's going to be a latch right here. You're going to press that latch inward, and then you're going to go to the master cylinder. You're just going to crack the lid open a little bit so that once you go to mashing the brake caliper piston in, you don't build pressure in the lines. So just kind of take that lid and flip it up a little. Flip them over to her, kind of pry around the side. Five 19mm bolts, 5 19mm nuts. I'm going to use an impact gun with a 19mm socket. You keep up with these. I like to take my pen, put my bolts in there. I know where they are. 3/8 Allen bit for the top and the bottom. It's gonna help me get the brake caliper out. Bottom. Careful of these pieces here that go between there. Make sure you place those back in the exact same place when you start to put the brake caliper back on. You don't want to lose these pieces. Now they may fall out while you're removing the caliper, so just be mindful to catch them so that you don't lose them. There's going to be one at the top that goes there, one at the bottom that goes there. back. Grab my C-clamp. I'm going to use it to press that brake caliper piston back in. Make sure I place this correctly. You guys can see that. Take my new brake pad. This one goes into the wheel cylinder, brake caliper piston cylinder. See that prong? It snaps into here.
Unless I wait a couple of weeks and try to go back. It might not happen. A couple of weeks, you know, like 15 years out there hard to find. Especially you can't find them over here. I ain't went to every time somebody went to the day, I don't use 15 years out. Yeah, so have my boy down the junkyard down there. He told me he had some down there in my car. Right. I went down there and got
the front side of that brake pad goes here.
But one guy, he had
make sure those notches are under there. That top notch right here sits right in there. Notches.
It don't make sense. You put a couple, $5 more, get a smack brand new.
Go back on with it.
If you ain't gonna ride good, you know, this already boy. And he suggested he got the tie shop. And don't miss his thing. Think about that. You're going right over there to goddamn place. Baby had just what you wanted. Man, Bailey got so much shit in the back door. Go stay up when that thing up in there. Yeah. You know, he old school. He been around for years and years and years. Yeah, he been around for shit. Hell. Somebody, they got tired, they want to give me a time. He gonna jump on a good deal. He probably give him a good deal. He gonna jump on it. You know, give him to the back because he know all thing got to do is sit on somebody. Yeah, exactly. Just sit on. See, I think that's why I bought my first set of Honda Sport rim and tire. Yeah, baby. You know the white, the big thick ass white wall and the wide, yeah, the 30. Yeah, I bought one of them things too. I got them. You got them thick ass white walls. I think I paid. Back then, I think I paid $1,500. For the rim and tire, yeah. Man, that's been about shit. I don't think I paid quite that much. That's been, but see, I had got them Honda Sport rims. That was over 30 something. Yeah, them, yeah. The style back then. There was some sharp rims. I had a 79 Ranchero. Right. I put them on that truck, man. Made that Ranchero look so good. But you didn't do the white wall, did you? No, I didn't do the white wall. I did the black cat with chrome rims. Right. With the chrome Honda Sport, called them Honda Sport back then. Yeah. They don't came back out of the style. Yeah, he got some good real good red now. Like I said, when he took cars. I think he paid for the tires and the rim. Oh yeah. When I was going up, man, they don't say shit too good, but they look good though.
And that's how you replace the front brake pads on a 1994 Chevy Caprice.
That's how people want to make a car. You know the rim gonna make the car look better back.
Top.
And he was in jail. She rolled with him all the time. He was in jail. You know what I'm saying? She was with him. Yeah, why? Put money on the book and all that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? She stayed down.
Cap back down.
Yeah, while he was locked up. Yeah, Some get you with the shit. Time you got locked up, that bitch was drinking on that. You got the hell on.
But you know, she probably still doing her thing, but she still with it though.
Yeah. She stayed down with
She
it.
stayed down with it, yeah.
Like some women be on got the hell on.
Right. Yeah. Soon as he got out of jail, the little side piece she had, she got rid of it.
Oh yeah.
Whatever side piece she had. Well, I went on the goddamn
Let me get this side right here.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
You got that side quick.
Oh yeah. That first, that second one.
Huh? You
That
learned
second.
from the first one, didn't you?
Oh, I tried to.
You did something. You got that side on quick. But I went online, right? Talking to the goddamn little young girl. Like a little dating line, you know.
Yeah, I know you're talking.
And she's saying, I can do anything I want to do. Hey, you ain't recording, you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Y'all had to go in there.
Hey, you ain't want to be on.
I don't want to be on YouTube like that.
Take that lid, click on the tab, try to start at one of those tabs, one of these points here.
Soon you got them out. What you do? See, you like the other one did. They tell you shit. They tell me shit. Just like the phone and everything. I found that. That's a
Get it into that groove here. Also be mindful to line up that air hose. Air nipple. That hole.
She in South Carolina. That's what got that part. Me. Boy, she was around here. I took up on this. Like Stone Mountain or something around.